Hi friends, today our topic is OTN. Why OTN? OTN is standard for optical layer requirement, optical network requirement. There is optical interconnection between different vendors, optical interconnection between different operators. So there is some standard required, that is OTN. It takes STS to further, and there is properties of OTN. What is properties of OTN? Protocol transparency, FEC, reduction of 3R regenerators, backward compatibility. Properties of OTN are protocol transparency, FEC, reduction of 3R regeneration. What is transport of client? Overhead added to from OPU. Client in client signal we add overhead, it becomes OPU, and then we add overhead, it becomes ODU. Again additional overhead plus FEC we add, then it becomes OTU. Again further we add overhead, it becomes OCH. If we add non-associated overhead, that is out of band overheads, then it becomes OMS, then OTS. The FS, OTU overhead, ODU overhead, OPU overhead, client and FEC. That is, these are basic parts of OTN frames. FAS, OTU overhead, ODU overhead, OPU overhead, client signal, and FEC. Audio overhead are RES, TCM, FTFL, PM, EXP, GCC1, GCC2, and APS by PCC, automatic protection switching wires. Audio overhead basic frame part is PSI. PSI means payload structure identifier. It comes under OPU, and PSI contains PT and RES. And audio contains TCM. What is TCM? TCM is hierarchical error checking with parity bytes. It takes help of parity bytes for hierarchical error checking and allows up to 6 tandem connection. TCM bytes allows up to 6 tandem connection. PM, GCC, APS, FTFL and EXP bytes come under audio, and FTFL is related to TCM bytes. FTFL is related fault location is related to TCM bytes. TCM overhead structure. There is TTI, trail trace identifier, BPAT parity, and there is BI, BDI and status also. Under TTI there is SAPI, DAPI and operator specific. OTU overhead. There is FAS and OTU. FAS stands for FAS and MFAS, and under OTU there is SM, BCC and RES. FEC added at end of OTU frame. FEC added at end of OTU frame. It detects errors. FEC detects errors and corrects also. Allows lower signal quality and larger degradation due to physical impairments. FEC added at end of OTU frame. It detects errors. FEC detects errors. It corrects also. Allows lower signal quality and larger degradation due to physical impairments. What are physical impairments? There are two types of physical impairments. These are linear and non-linear. Linear means loss, noise and dispersion. Loss, noise and dispersion. This is linear physical impairments. And there is non-linear physical impairments also. And these are four-wave mixing, self-phase modulation and cross-phase modulation. Four-wave mixing, self-phase modulation and cross-phase modulation. FEC causes FEC by FEC we can use existing 2.5 Gbps links for 10 Gbps channels. We can improve fiber capacity in this sense. By using FEC we can improve fiber capacity. We can use 2.5 Gbps links for 10 G channels. there are different optical then vendors, different operators, so we need one standard, that is OTN. Properties of OTN is for protocol transparency, FEC, reduction of 3 originators. Oh, thank you.